UGC Malviya Mission Teacher Training Center and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar organize 15th Faculty Induction online mode program. Today I represent my seminar topic named Computer Graphics. Computer graphics is a part of computer science. The computer is an information processing machine. It is a tool for storing, manipulating and correcting a data. Now, data means what? Data is a collection of raw material. There are many ways to communicate the proceed information to the user. Computer graphics is one of the most effective and commonly used way to communicate the proceed information to the user. First of all, you know about that the basic terminology of computer graphics. You must know about a pixel. Pixel is a basic terminology of computer graphics. Graphics objects such as picture, chart, graphs and diagram instead of simple text. Computer graphics make it possible to express data in pictorial format. What do you mean by pixel? Pixel is nothing but a smallest element in your monitor screen. This we can say a dot. This dot represent 2D format. 2D format like X direction and Y direction. Generally two types of dimension, two dimensional and three dimensional, whereas two dimensional the two axes X and Y, and three dimensional three axes X, Y and Z axis. Each pixel is a symbol of an original image where more sample typically provide and more accurately representation of the original. And the intensity of each pixel is variable in color systems. Each pixel has typically 3 or 4 components such as RGB format, CMY format. RGB means red, green and blue. CMY means cyan, magenta and yellow. Second terminology you must know about in graphics is resolution. Because resolution is the number of rows that appear from top to bottom of a screen, and in turn the number of pixel or pixel element that appear from left to right on each scan line. Now resolution means what? If in your system, if your resolution is low, then your picture quality is low. If resolution is high, then your picture quality is high. In other word, resolution greater will be clarity of a picture. Resolution value is directly proportional to clarity of a picture. These are the some basic resolution in monitors. A smallest resolution is 640 multiplied by 480. The resolution is also divided into two parts, where 640 means x-axis and 480 means y-axis. And your higher resolution is 1280 multiplied by 1024 is x and y direction. Suppose in your monitor you can set your resolution. Then first of all you click properties, right click on your monitor and right click on properties, then go to the setting menu. Here we can say the two options less and more. When you click less, then your resolution will be 640 multiplied by 480, and when you click more, then your resolution is 1280 multiplied by 1024. Now in graphics mode is a computer display mode that generate image using a pixel. Today, most users operate their computer in a graphics mode opposed to text mode or command line environment. Suppose if you want to draw a line, if you want to draw a circle, rectangle, then use a languages in computer languages. The most of the famous languages in C. In C language, you can use a graphics function. Now here some graphics function. In C language, number one most important function is graphics.h. The file contains the definition and explanation of all graphics function and constant, while graphics.lib file contains standard graphics function. Now second one of the most important function is init graph. The init graph means initialize the graphic system. Now here one of the example how to declare this function in your code. Example, a void init graph in bracket of &gd and %gm, then set your path and put your file. Again, one of the most graphics driver in C language we can use when you draw any object like line, circle or rectangle. Then you can use graph driver as well as graph mode as well as path driver. These are the very important driver also inbuilt in your C programming language. Then and then you can draw line, circle, rectangle, ellipse or mouth face, such kind of object you can draw. You must know some display devices in computer graphics subject. For example, your display devices like you can see CRT monitor, TFT monitor, LED monitor. Now in CRT monitor, you can see here the diagram of CRT monitor. Now this is very old generation use CRT monitor. Now in new technology used, we can use a LED monitor. LED means a light emitting diode. You must the basic concept know about that CRT monitor in your display system. Now in CRT monitor means what? The most common graphics. This is the output device of CRT monitor. In CRT monitor consists electron gun, focusing system, here horizontal deflection plate and vertical deflection plate. Electron gun process and directly hit to the electron beam and generate a electrical signal. Then and then you can see a picture. These are the some pictures on CRT monitor. This is the display technology. Here also I can define electron gun, focusing system, also here vacuum tube. Also one of the old display devices raster scan display, random scan display. These are the old display devices. What is the major difference between raster and random scan display devices? The most major difference is it's depend upon its resolution. In raster scan display has a less resolution, whereas random scan having a high resolution. So random scan display your picture quality is good, whereas raster scan is picture quality is low. In a raster scan, electron beam is direct from top to bottom, one row at a time on screen, whereas random scan is electron beam is direct to only that part of screen where picture is frequently to draw one line at a time. So it's also called as vector display. Most of raster scan display is very costly, whereas random scan display is no, not costly. In suppose in your object you have a draw a line object, and you can see in raster scan display device the line object is zigzag line, whereas randoms can display, you can see a smooth line. Why smooth line? Because the randoms can display having a high resolution, whereas rasters can display is less resolution. So one of the object is like it that your printer, laser printer. In laser printer, when you uh, send a print option, then you can see the line is very clearly, whereas one of the printer is that dot matrix printer where line object is very dotted. Again, some basic computer graphics application are computer graphics user interface. We can use computer graphics also cartography. Computer graphics also use a weather map like real time mapping, symbolic representation. Computer graphics also use a satelliting images like GIS, it means that geographical image system. In geographical image system, are very useful for computer graphics application. We can also use a CAD CAM application software. It used in architecture format. Whereas CAD means computer aided design, CAM means computer aided manufacturing. Also Photoshop also use a computer graphics application where you can use a photo enhancement, photo sharpening. Now medical imaging. In medical field, use a computer graphics in the form of MRI machine, scan machine, also non-invasive internal examinations. Also application used in engineering drawing like in mechanical field, electrical field, civil field. Now also as I told you in civil field use like CAD or CAM software. Also movies also use like 3D animation pictures used in a computer graphics application. You must know in computer graphics some abbreviations. Students like what do you mean by CRT means what? Like CRT, it means that cathode ray tube. Then also known about that LED. LED means light emitting diode. LCD means liquid crystal display. Also one of the old technologies DVST, whereas DVST stands for direct view storage tube. Also know about that plasma display, 3D display, CAD, CAM software. And also students know about that what do you mean by pixel. Megapixel means what? When you purchase any mobile, then first of all you see how many megapixel a camera. Generally 1 megapixel, it means that 1 megapixel means in your computers having 1 lakh pixels. Similarly, if you purchase a 5 megapixel camera, it means that you have a 5 lakh pixels in your mobile systems. Similarly, this depend upon a resolution. It means that if your pixel is higher, then your picture quality is good. Second thing you must know about that color models in computer graphics. Generally, three types of color model in computer graphics. Number one, RGB color model, CMY color model, and third one is HSV color model. Here I have to tell RGB color model means red, green, blue. These are the nothing but a color's name. RGB means red, green, blue. Whereas CMY means cyan, magenta, and yellow color. Where HSV means a color should be represent like H means hue, S means saturation, and L means luminance. Here we can see a color is composed of electromagnetic wave. Generally, human visible color is up to 370 to 780 nanometer. Now, in RGB color model generally used in your monitor systems, in your mobile systems. Whatever you have to see a picture, this is nothing but your RGB color model. And when you get any print, any color print, this combination is nothing but a CMY color model. RGB color model is also called as additive model, whereas CMYK color model is called as subtractive model. CMYK color model is used a color printer, and RGB color model used a pictures, only pictures, like your monitor you can see pictures, they use a RGB color model. Okay, thank you friends, thank you very much, thank you sir.